Well, hello there. If you're looking for a product to secure your family's comfort during power outages, you are in the right place. Comparing the latest in solar battery backup, EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, and traditional home standby generators, this video intends to help you make an informed decision. Let's kick off with the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. Imagine this. You spot your ideal power partner online, and in just 1 week, a package arrives at your doorstep. With EcoFlow, you're not just buying an energy solution, you're unlocking a powerhouse. Flexible capacity? Check. Ranging from 6 to 90 kilowatt hours. Continuous power that keeps everything from lights to central AC running. AC output? Check. A solid 7.2 kilowatts, peaking at 10.8 kilowatts. And if you're looking for even more oomph, just stack up 3 inverters for a jaw-dropping 21.6 kilowatts continuous and 32.4 kilowatts peak power. Solar input? Check. The 80 to 450 volts high PV input port can connect up to 10 400-watt solar panels in series. If you're a sucker for solar energy, no worries. With up to 3 inverters in the system, it supports 5.6 kilowatts to 16.8 kilowatts solar input. And it's ready to roll from 120 and 240 volts to 290 VAC, catering to a wide range of voltages for different regions. I know, you might be wondering this right now. What if the sun is in a mood, or a winter storm is approaching with inadequate sunlight or time for solar generation? Rest assured, we've got you covered. You can directly plug any gas generator into the smart home panel 2 via a power inlet box. Alternatively, if you prefer to bypass the panel, simply plug your generator into the power input-output port of the Ultra to recharge the battery. Additionally, if you have an EcoFlow dual-fuel smart generator on hand, it too can charge the Ultra through the charging input port. A combination of different charging methods can help secure your energy storage before any off-grid events, thereby extending your backup time. Also, the Ultra isn't just a battery. It's a silent sentinel for your home. When discharging at a hefty 5,000 watts to 0%, even at a warm 77 degrees Fahrenheit, the noise level remains whisper quiet, hovering around 30 dB. That's quieter than a library. But what about the setup? After your EcoFlow package arrives, you'll schedule an on-site assessment, which typically takes about an hour. Some service fees apply, but we'll be with you every step of the way, including navigating any permits you might need. The Smart Home Panel 2 is designed for North American homes. Thus, the installation is as straightforward as with any standard sub-panel. If you only plan to go for the Delta Pro Ultra, you'll be unlocking an installation-free and plug-and-play battery. It also works well with auto and manual transfer switches. Now, you might be concerned about portability when relocating. For instance, when you move your house, what are you going to do with the battery? Well, here's the plan. With a stackable design, the Delta Pro Ultra can easily be disassembled and reassembled together with the battery connection cable. Forget about laying extensive piping or constructing a concrete base to place the battery, as you normally do with a standby generator. Simply put the inverter and the battery back together like Lego bricks. The Ultra is designed to move with you, making it a hassle-free component of your home no matter where you choose to live. Okay, let's switch gears to home standby generators. Offering a robust range of 7 to 26 kilowatts, this type of generator is designed to handle entire homes, ensuring that everything stays on when the grid goes down, from your fridge to your furnace. They usually come equipped with an automatic transfer switch, which seamlessly activates the generator in seconds during an outage, ensuring uninterrupted power. Sounds promising. With a home standby generator, the journey begins with a 1 to 3 day window from initial contact to inquiry. Subsequently, an on-site assessment is scheduled, and a detailed quote tailored to your home's needs is provided. Delivery and installation are scheduled within 1 to 2 weeks from the time of ordering. Before installation can commence, the necessary permits for plumbing, gas lines, electricity, and other requirements must be obtained from local authorities. This process may take several weeks or even months, depending on the jurisdiction. When you finally land on the installation day, the setup is not an easy job. It typically takes at least one day based on your home's configuration. Keep in mind that this type of generator can only be installed outside, considering the fumes they produce. However, this exposure also renders the generator vulnerable to extreme weather conditions like winter storms or hurricanes. If covered by heavy snow or flooded, the entire system can become inoperable, particularly if the air filter becomes clogged. After the standby generator is permanently installed and connected to your home's natural gas or liquid propane fuel supply, that's not the end of the story. Let's delve into ongoing maintenance. It's recommended that your generator should be programmed to exercise for at least 15 to 30 minutes a week to ensure it'll start up in the event of an emergency. Besides, routine maintenance should be performed every 6 months or after 200 hours of operation, whichever comes first. This entails checking the battery, changing the oil filter, as well as replacing air and fuel filters to ensure optimal performance. Typically, the annual maintenance cost for this type of home standby generator ranges from $300 to $600, even though it might only be utilized a few hours each year. And how about the noise level? Well, on average, a typical home standby generator might produce noise levels in range of 60 to 70 decibels from a distance of about 23 feet, which is quieter than a vacuum cleaner, but a bit louder than the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. Last but not least, as a whole house energy solution, how do these two systems perform in daily life and emergencies? Let's start with the EcoFlow Power Duo. If you want a comprehensive portfolio of your house's energy consumption and savings, the Smart Home Panel 2 allows you to learn your usage patterns and perform an energy audit yourself. Furthermore, if you want circuit-level control, let's say there's an outage, and you want to put less important or non-prioritized usage on hold, and distribute energy to more important appliances like your heater, refrigerator, etc. Smart Home Panel 2 shines. It allows you to extend backup to a greater extent. By the way, the Storm Guard feature of Smart Home Panel 2 can fully charge the Delta Pro Ultra batteries 24 hours before an extreme weather event. Reaching a full charge, the batteries will be locked, where no discharge is allowed. On the flip side, you may only be able to access information such as current operating status, maintenance schedule, propane tank level, etc. through a standby generators app. To wrap up, if you're preparing for a short-term, infrequent power outage, a home standby generator can help you carry on a normal lifestyle as long as you have adequate fuel storage. However, if you worry about fuel access at sudden blackouts, or you seek a more effortless, flexible, and smart way to safeguard your home and save on energy bills, consider the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra and Smart Home Panel 2. Drop a comment, subscribe, and like this video if it's been informative. We are eager to hear from you. So long for now, we'll see you in the next one.